Is everyone able to see the screen? One PPT is there this side. Okay. So
Yes,
we
sir.
studied in Newton's third law. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction, and they act on two different bodies. Minimum requirement of bodies is two. Action and reaction will be equal. Reaction will be equal and in opposite. Okay. Okay. So we have seen the example of this A and B. This A and B. So today we will see the examples. What is that? First one is when a bullet is fired from the gun. Might have seen. See any video in YouTube how this is done. It exerts a forward force, means action on the bullet, and the bullet exerts an equal and opposite force on the gun, and the gun recoils. गन वापस आती है. इसलिए जो पुलिस वाले लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अगर कंधे पर लगी हो तो उसको इस तरह से लगा के रखते हैं कि हड्डी नहीं टूट जाए यहाँ पे, पुलिस वाले या जिनका. क्योंकि बुलेट इज फायर्ड, जो गन है उसके अंदर जो सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, एक्शन ऑन द बुलेट, और उस एक्शन की वजह से बुलेट आगे की तरफ जाती है, और वो बुलेट क्या करती है, जो गोली है वो उस पर वापस फोर्स, जो ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन है वो उस गन के ऊपर पुट करती है, तो गन वापस है की हो गया. एक एग्जांपल क्लियर है? तो आप लोग अगर ये वीडियो देखेंगे यूट्यूब में, अभी टाइम नहीं है इसलिए मैं दिखा देता, वरना आप सर्च करके देख लीजिएगा कि ऐसा कैसे होता है. ओके. इसके बाद में ए सेलर, नाविक, जो नाव चलाने वाला बंदा है, jumps out of a boat, he exerts a backward force on this boat. देखो इसको मैं I will copy here and paste here. See what is happening here. What he is doing, that this person is jumps out of boat and he exerts a backward force boat, and the boat exerts equal and opposite force on the sailor, that is in the form of reaction. What he is doing, it has put, एक second, what he is doing, he is pushing pressure on. Okay, this is known as action, and the boat exerts force, that is in the form of reaction on the sailor, and sailor come out from boat to the surface. Is it clear बेटा everyone? जितना वो बोट पे एक्शन लगा तो रिएक्शन देता है, जिससे वो आदमी आगे की तरफ जंप कर पाता है.
सर बुलेट वाला एक बार बता देना फिर से.
कौन सा वाला?
सर फर्स्ट वाला एग्जांपल.
ये गन वाला.
चलो गन वाला.
हाँ गन वाला बता देते हैं. ठीक है, एक मिनट. मैं थोड़ा लार्ज इट इज डूइंग accelerating force is put on this bullet. Here what is happening, the accelerating force is put on the bullet, and bullet will come out. The action, and this bullet is putting force on this back on this gun, तो gun will come, पीछे की तरफ आएगी इधर. तो ये बुलेट के ऊपर क्या लगा, एक्शन, तो बुलेट ने क्या किया, रिएक्शन, जैसे बंदूक. क्लियर है बेटा? एक्शन किस पर हो रहा है? हाँ हाँ नहीं आया. जैसे देखो आप ट्रिगर दबाओगे, ये ट्रिगर है, यहाँ पे ट्रिगर है. इफ यू पुट दिस ट्रिगर, दैट विल पुट ऑन द गन, तो वो फोर्स जो लगा रहे हैं वो उस बुलेट पे, उस गोली पे जो लगा रहे हैं, दिस इज नोन एज व्हाट, दिस इज नोन एज एक्शन. So bullet will come out and the bullet, whenever bullet is coming out, it is putting some force on the gun, and then gun will
सेम
come.
ऐसा ही एरोप्लेन में भी होता है ना?
हाँ, एरोप्लेन में वैसे ही होता है, प्रोपेल होता है, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, बैक भी लगता है, फॉरवर्ड भी लगता है। वो उनका जो फ्यूल वगैरह होता है उसमें सिस्टम ऐसा जैक सिस्टम लगा रहता है, उसकी वजह से ऐसा होता है। क्लियर? नाउ 2 एग्जांपल्स, क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. One second. One second. When an filled balloon one second, let me adjust this file first. When an air-filled balloon is a force of air coming out of the balloon, that is known as action, exert an equal and opposite force on the balloon in the form of reaction, and it moves upward. The air which is when an air-filled balloon is released, whenever you are releasing in the environment, the force of the air coming out of the balloon exerts an equal and opposite force. Means what it is doing, whenever an air-filled balloon is released, the force of air, the air is putting force on the balloon in the form of and balloon is again exerting one equal and opposite force on the balloon. This air is putting pressure and this balloon is again doing the reaction, and balloon will move out. Okay. When a rocket is fired, burning force of burning is known as action, and exerts equal and opposite force. The gases out are coming out. This is action. Like bullet. This is one bullet on the bullet, and the gases are this gases coming out from the rocket is known as action. And they are putting equal and opposite for this rocket, that is form known as the reaction, and the rocket will move out. Same thing is happening with the aeroplane or fighter jet plane. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So last topic is left, which is momentum. So that is one type of law. Law of conservation of momentum states that the sum of momenta is plural here. Momentum is of two objects before collision is equal to the sum of momenta after collision, provided what is the condition? There is no unbalanced forces acting on them. Means balanced forces should be there. So sum means the total. Whenever we are totaling the sum of this momentum of two objects, then after collision, whenever they are going to be collide, जो भिड़ते हैं आपस में, उससे पहले और बाद में का जो जितना मोमेंटम होता है वो बराबर होता है अगर हम कोई बाहर से अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस उस पर नहीं लगा रहे हैं, तो तब ऐसा होता है. सो लेट अस रीड लाइन बाय लाइन एंड देन वी विल derive the equation. This means the total moment of two objects is unchanged or conserved by the collision. Collision होता है, उसके बाद में भी momentum में कोई change नहीं होता है. If ball A and B of masses m b are traveling with initial velocity ua and ub, and here two balls are there, A and B, and they are having mass ma and mb. They are traveling in a straight line with initial velocities ua ub. Initial velocities are UA, and if condition UA is larger than UB, then the two balls will collide each other. They will be colliding each other, आपस में भिड़ेंगी. T, at the time T, at the time we can measure what is the time taken to collide. Ball A exerts a force FAB. What is doing it? FAB force on, and ball is putting the reaction force back on this ball A is FBA. FBA means B is putting force on A, and FAB means A is putting ball B. If V and velocity VA and VB are when ball and after collision, means UA and UB were what? Initial velocities before collision. After collision they become V and VB. The moment of ball A before and after collision are MAUA. Means we have formula: momentum MAUA and MAVA of ball A. For ball B, it is MBUB, MBVB. Initially and understood. समझ में आया बेटा सभी को? आइए कंडीशन रखिए. ये अभी हमने कुछ किया नहीं आगे का. Till now we have studied what are before and after. What is force? What is the initial velocity? What is the final velocity? What is the final velocity? What is the mass? And like this one. Okay. Change in the momentum of ball being collision. We can write this one like this one: MAVA minus. Finally, we are decreasing it from final into my initial. It is MAVA. Let me write here also. MAVA minus MAUA.
सर ए मतलब जो पहली बॉल है ना.
हाँ A. B means ball B. Whatever we are writing, V for final velocity, U for initial velocity. Initial means before collision, final velocity means after collision, and divided by final minus initial velocity. Okay. So rate of change of momentum of ball AB, because AB is putting pressure, A is putting pressure on B, is equal to M. There might be some problem here actually. One second. Let me open this actually. 1 second. PDF is not there. Notes I will open. Okay. And rate of change of momentum ma divided by t, because it is related to time. I think it is written wrongly here. Let me go to the chapter 9 here. Okay. Here what is happening? Change in the momentum ball A is equal to MAVA divided by this one. Rate of change of momentum is equal to, we can calculate this one by FAB MAVA minus UA into divided by T. This is a thing come. MA in bracket initial velocity and divided by time t, because rate whenever we are putting word rate, it is related to time. Change in the moment of ball during this one b. So mb vb v, and rate of change of momentum of ball b fba is equal to same like this one. The formula will be reversed.
सर फर्स्ट वाले में आपने तो
पीपीटी में थोड़ा गलती है बेटा, उसमें पीपीटी में थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है, ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है, थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है उसके अंदर. हाँ, बी प्लस वी बी. 1 second क्लास, आई एम टेकिंग क्लास है. आफ्टर हाफ एन आवर यू मीट प्लीज. क्लास ले रहा हूँ. यू बी डिवाइडेड बाई टी. Okay, so FBA is equal to MB initial velocity minus final velocity divided by T. So this is for rate of change of momentum of ball FBA, and for FAB ball A is equal to this. FAB MA VA minus T divided by T, and this one for this one. Okay, clear beta? Till now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because what you need to do, you need to practice it, and tomorrow we can keep one more sessions. But first you need to do this one. So okay. So we are telling that FAB and FBA are opposite, but they are opposite. Equal but opposite. So let us write this one like FA is equal to minus FBA. Okay, minus is written because this is opposite of this FAB. That's why we are, so MA VA minus UA T by T minus formulas. We will put the values here. VB minus UB divided by T. Okay, so let us solve this one first. And we cut T and T डिवाइड होते हैं तो कट हो जाएंगे, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे इसको, A simply MAVA minus MA minus A minus UA is equal to VB minus MB UB. Okay, so this is the formula, and minus word will be there, so this one be minus and this will be plus. If you are coming this formula, you know maths, you might have studied this thing. So whenever we solve this one, MA this sign thing is there, अगर उसको हम solve करते हैं, it will come out like this one. MA UA initial force and on the other side. If you solve, what will be coming out, that discuss. So one thing is this, one thing is this, one thing is this. Initial force on one side, so this is minus MA UA minus MB UB, because whenever we are taking this from this side, the sign of plus will change to minus, is equal to whenever we are bringing this MB VB, and this sign become here, this side plus, and this will become in minus. So every value is having MAVA is having minus sign. So let us remove the minus sign from. So what will be the formula? MB plus UA plus MB UB is equal to MAVA plus BB. For collision will be of the momentum which is after collision, they will be same, no change, no change. So this is the law of conservation of momentum is saying. Is that clear, children? Is this clear? Actually आज टाइम नहीं है. आप लोग what you do, you study this one and tomorrow we will discuss it. Clearance class is kept tomorrow for this whole chapter. So tomorrow we will be clearing because today time is there. 10:05 is already there. So before that you practice all the things. If you have any problem we will discuss, and again the problems which we are facing in any topic we will discuss it again. Clear beta? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.